My name is Gina, and I would like to officially welcome you to Season Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us on today, welcome. If you are returning, thank you so much. Your girl really does appreciate it, and welcome back. Either way, if you are currently not subscribed, you know what to do. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Become a part of the Season Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you. And there is more than enough room on this family tree just for you. Now, our video on today, we're going to be bringing you something brand new to our channel. Okay? Now, I don't know if you've ever heard of it before. If not, your girl has got you. This one today, we're going to open something called the SHEAMAKERY box. Now, I apologize that I can't show you the full box, but the label, the shipping label is on the top. So maybe they'll send it and we will be able to show the whole box because the label will be on the bottom. But nonetheless, now this box, it can be purchased on a month-to-month basis, or you can choose to have it as a subscription box. Now, on a month-to-month basis, which is, by that I mean individually, if you just want to purchase this, you can try it and see what it's like. It is $23. If you decide that you would like to try it out as a subscription box, and of course there are no limits, you can cancel at any time, that's fine, but it is $19.55 per month, okay? And that means that you're on auto bill. Now, this particular site allows you, and I'm going to put all of the information down below. I met this young lady on Instagram, okay, and I just loved everything I saw because I like these kinds of things. I love candles and, you know, scents, different types of scent around my house, especially those that remind me of whatever holiday or time of the year it may be. So, in this box, when I open it, the first thing I have is, of course, the information card, which lets you know the website. And skincare never looked so good. That's not the real reason that I ordered. Y'all know I get lots and lots of skincare, but I really wanted to try it, and I did say I would bring to us more women-owned, minority women-owned, brown-skinned women-owned businesses, and that's just what we're doing. So I'm trying to help support my sisters, and I am finding more and more every day. Now, if you would like to even see some outfits, let me know down below, okay? Now, the first item in the box is the pumpkin cinnamon sweet minis. These are candle melts, y'all. Candle melts. Oh. This doesn't even just smell like my kitchen. This smells like my grandmother's kitchen. Oh my God. Look at these things. They look like mini cupcakes. Do you see this? They look like mini cupcakes, and they smell divine. Oh my God. Whew. Okay, and there are 6 of them in here. Now, these are not where they have a wick. They sit in the little bowls that have the tea light that burn underneath them, and so they melt down and let off all that beautiful aroma. Okay, so that one is the first item that was in this bag. Now, I will go onto their site and check and see exactly what the price would be for each item individually, and then I'll let you know at the end, just like we do with any other unboxing. The second item that I have is called Brown Sugar and Maple Soap Bar. Oh my God, and I can smell this right through. That smells amazing. It's beautiful color as well. And the ingredients on this one, okay, the first ingredient is coconut oil. If you are allergic to coconut, this soap is not for you, okay? And it has palm oil, sunflower oil, glycerin, shea butter, purified water, sodium hydroxide. I know that's what you use to get it to lather up, and oat protein. So all the ingredients are listed right there. Then the next one, okay, we're gonna up on this one. Cinnamon apple pie body wash. Oh, this could cause some problems in some people's houses now. Whew. It smells like a spicy apple pie, and it has the consistency of glaze. Look at that. Woohoo. All right, so we're going to put a little on, and we're going to put a little bit of this. Smell is intoxicating. You hear me? It's intoxicating. So just put a little bit on. It is extremely thick. Look at that. And I'm going to put a little bit of water. Yes. I just wanted to see how it lathered up and if the smell really intensified once you know, activated it with the water. Guess what? It does. Ooh. Oh, that smells so good. I would call my husband in here, but I might have an issue if I do. That smells amazing. And this is I believe this says it's an 8-ounce jar. This is an 8-ounce bottle, okay? Then the last item, nope, it's not the last. The next item I have is the Vanilla Caramel Latte Body Scrub. So let's open this one. And yes, I love that each product is sealed. Oh my God. This smells like I'm in a coffee shop. Rub over body before showering for super smooth skin. Contains brown sugar, white sugar, emulsifying wax, citric acid, apricot, coconut, shea, vitamin E oils, and fragrance. It says remove desired amount from the jar with hands or spoon and gently massage over entire body. Rinse off with warm water and pat skin dry. Skin will feel smooth and nourished. Do not use on face if you have sensitivities to fragrance and or acne prone skin. This is full to the brim. Okay. Oh my, I'm telling you, it smells like I am in a coffee shop. That's what that smells like. And the last item, which I'm not going to open, is the Autumn Pear Lip Balm. And this one contains sweet almond oil, coconut oil, beeswax, avocado oil, cocoa shea butter, cocoa seed butter, shea butter, and flavor oil. Okay, now let me just tell you, this was packaged very nicely. The products smell amazing. It was a good amount because I did receive 5 products in 5 different products in the bag, and some of which, like the candle melts, there were 6 of them in there, worth $19.55. Absolutely. Okay, I'm excited to see what December's is going to be like. Now, I can't promise I'm always going to open them because I may very well put some of these items in a giveaway, maybe sending some to my mom or my sister, someone else to try out and see what they think. Okay, so I thank you for being here with me on today as I unbox the new, for us here, SHEAMAKERY skincare box. Okay, I'm going to leave some information down below. I'm going to give you the code that I have, and go and check her out. She has a wonderful site. They have $5 items on their site. So if you wanted to go and get some last minute Christmas shopping done, if you have a birthday or event or something coming up, this is very personal and it's amazing. Look, and I'm going to help my sister out. Okay? Yes, I've claimed her as my sister already. So, these are the items that were included in the Shea Beauty skincare box. And down below, of course, is the manufacturer's suggested retail price for everything. No, actually, down below is the price if you purchased each item individually. Okay? Now, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.